ऐसा भी होगा कि आप पूरा डीमोटिवेट हो गए किसी ना किसी टाइम पे, तो हाउ वुड यू पिक योर सेल्फ अप एंड सी कि नहीं मुझे करना है? ऐसा कोई मोमेंट आया था?
जब I was in 12th, and I would say 12th mid, around 12th. This was before Neet. 7 months, 6 months before Neet. Yeah, I would
राइट
say. के अंदर जैसे होता है ना, लाइक अराउंड नवंबर दिसंबर, उस टाइम स्कूल के अंदर भी पेपर्स चल रहे होते हैं. आई हैड अ मेजर डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड इन दैट टाइम.
राइट
And major depressive episode, and I was basically concealing things from everybody around me.
ओके
मैं किसी को बता नहीं रही थी कि what I'm going through. I was in a slump. I was, you know, just that the only companion at that time from me was कि मैं अगली बार बेटर करूँगी. मैं
राइट
अगले पेपर के अंदर बेटर परफॉर्म करूँगी. I'll prepare better next time. Next time, this phrase, next time. That was my constant reassurance कि ठीक है, you know, this is not your fault. You're
Right,
not
right,
like this.
right.
You're not this. That I had that period in 12th mid, and for how I got picked up from that is that basically एक दिन मैंने I just spilled all my beans कि मम्मी I'm not studying. And that during that time I was just not studying.
अच्छा.
I was not studying. Like I used to attend my coaching classes. That's it.
No self study, nothing, no question practice.
Nothing. मतलब बस chill हो रहा है. And you know, and the bad thing was, the thing I regret is that it's not like I was not thinking or studying. मेरे दिमाग में 24/7 was कि पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, but I was not doing it.
Right.
That was
Right.
या तो वो ना कि मैंने जिंदगी के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा मजे कर लिया. I had a trip at that time. Then that would have been essential. That would have been better to my preparation. But नहीं, मैं अपना time literally pass कर रही हूँ. तो and how that got solved was कि I just spilled all my beans कि I'm not studying, I'm not doing what I should be, and कुछ ज़्यादा गलत हो चुका है, and I don't know how to get up from that. And during that time, actually, I got support from a very like unexpected source. My botany teacher.
Oh,
like
right.
I did not have that strong of a bond with my botany teacher. इतनी ज़्यादा उनसे मैं बात नहीं करती थी, and I didn't even know that he would be able to guide me in this way. But somehow he got to know.
अच्छा.
And he you know, he like explained it to me in a very childish and like a very innocent manner कि वैसे ही तुम तो इतनी अच्छी स्टूडेंट हो, तुम क्यों कर रहे हो, बस थोड़े महीनों की बात है, फिर सब कुछ सही से हो जाएगा, and I know you can do it. And you know, he just told me, I thought कि अब तो मैंने जो भी 1.5 years तक मैंने अभी प्रिपेयर किया है, that's just all waste now. अब कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर मैंने 3 महीने अपने वेस्ट कर दिए 12th के अंदर, तो कुछ भी नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm done for.
Right.
But he's like, it's not too late.
Right.
It's not too late. You have still 5 months, and I know you can pick it up, and I know you'll do it. And like you know, he worked with me कि आप अब इस क्लास के अंदर आओगे, आप इस पेपर के अंदर ऐसे करोगे, ये करोगे. So that helped me a lot. Yeah.
Right, right. तो I think motivation मिलते रहना चाहिए, चाहे वो कहीं से मिले.
Yeah.
And in this case, I think your botany teacher really helped
And
you.
I think you should never be afraid to reach out for help. Like
Right, right.
कभी कभार लगता है like the reason why I did not reach out for help इतनी जल्दी was I thought कि यार problem में अपनी वजह, it's my fault that I'm in this, right? मैं नहीं पढ़ रही, मेरी गलती है ना. Nobody stopping me कि चल मेरी किताब चला ली, nothing like that. मेरी गलती है. So I was like, अब मैं किसी को बोलूँगी कि मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रही, that is such a stupid, that's such a lame excuse. लोग मेरे को डांटने लग जाएंगे. So I thought कि कोई मेरी help क्यों करेगा?
Right.
But no, everybody's there, everybody's trying to understand you, and they're trying to reach you at your level. You just have to reach out and ask for that help.
Exactly.
एक बार 0.5 तुम्हें एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा, and then 99.5% दूसरा will help you.
Right, 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 right. तो I think आपके पास sources बहुत सारे हैं motivation लेने के, but it depends on you कि आप किसको reach out करते हैं, कौन उस टाइम पे आपकी actually में help करते हैं. तो incredible journey I think, and you have been very motivated also. The way you picked yourself up is encouraging, and it should be encouraging for all the students watching this episode. Thank you for watching the entire clip. अगर आप नीट प्रिपरेशन से रिलेटेड और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो नीट स्पॉट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.